What's up, everyone? Did you know that only about 9% of all plastic ever produced gets recycled? That means mountains of the stuff are piling up, polluting our oceans and harming wildlife. It's a huge problem, but we're not going to stand by and watch it happen. We're going to do something about it. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of plastic bottle recycling. And trust me, it's way more exciting than it sounds. We're talking about turning trash into treasure, giving those single-use plastics a second life and making a real difference for the planet. You see those plastic bottles piling up in landfills? Yeah, those are choking our planet. But what if I told you we could transform them into something awesome, something useful, something that actually helps the environment? That's what we're all about today. We're going to show you some mind-blowing ways to recycle plastic bottles, turning trash into garden planters, bird feeders, even building materials. We're not just talking about tossing a bottle in the recycling bin and calling it a day. We're going full-on DIY masters here. We're getting creative, we're getting our hands dirty, and we're proving that recycling can be fun, easy, and totally impactful. So stick around because you won't want to miss this epic journey into the world of plastic bottle redemption. Let's make a difference, one bottle at a time. Alright, first up, let's talk planters. You know those empty soda bottles, water bottles, even those giant juice jugs? They're practically begging for a second life as stylish homes for your plants. We're not talking about your basic boring planters here, people. We're going next level. Think vertical gardens made from stacked bottles, hanging planters cascading with greenery, even self-watering planters that use recycled bottle parts for ingenious irrigation systems. We're going to show you how to cut, shape, and decorate those bottles, turning them into works of art that'll make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. We're talking vibrant colors, creative designs, and maybe even a few googly eyes for good measure. Hey, who said recycling couldn't be fun? We're turning trash into treasure, one planter at a time, and giving those plants a stylish new home in the process. But it's not just about the looks, people. These recycled planters are all about sustainability. By giving new life to plastic bottles, we're keeping them out of landfills and reducing the demand for new plastic production. That means less pollution, less waste, and a healthier planet for all. It's a win-win situation. Plus, imagine the satisfaction of growing your own herbs, veggies, or flowers in a planter you made yourself from recycled materials. It's like a badge of honor, a testament to your commitment to sustainability and your inner DIY master. So grab those empty bottles, unleash your creativity, and let's transform your garden into a sustainable oasis, one recycled planter at a time. Next up, we're showing some love to our feathered friends with some awesome DIY bird feeders. That's right, those empty plastic bottles make the perfect base for creating a bird feeding frenzy in your own backyard. We're talking simple designs that even the most novice DIYer can handle, to more elaborate creations that'll have the birds singing your praises. Picture this, a repurposed milk jug transformed into a whimsical bird feeder, complete with perches made from old spoons and a colorful roof fashioned from a discarded frisbee. Or how about a cluster of soda bottles turned into a multi-station feeding extravaganza, attracting a diverse array of feathered friends to your backyard sanctuary? We'll show you step-by-step how to cut, assemble, and decorate your bird feeders, using recycled materials and a dash of creativity. We'll even share some tips on choosing the right bird seed for your area and attracting specific types of birds. But this is about more than just crafting, it's about connecting with nature. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping happily as they enjoy the feast you've created from recycled materials. It's a reminder that even the smallest actions can make a big difference for the environment and the creatures we share it with. Plus, it's a great way to get the whole family involved. Kids will love helping to build and decorate the feeders and watching the birds flock to their creations. It's a fun, educational, and rewarding activity that promotes creativity, sustainability, and a love for nature. So grab those empty bottles, gather your supplies, and let's create a bird feeding paradise in your own backyard, one recycled feeder at a time. Okay, get ready to have your minds blown because we're about to enter the world of eco-bricks. You heard that right, we're talking about taking those plastic bottles and turning them into literal building materials. It might sound crazy, but it's a game changer when it comes to sustainable construction. Eco-bricks are created by stuffing plastic bottles with clean and dry plastic waste. Think plastic bags, wrappers, and films that can't be recycled conventionally. Once packed tight, these bottles become surprisingly strong and durable, acting like bricks that can be used to build all sorts of structures. We're talking garden walls, benches, even entire homes. It's incredible to see the transformation from discarded plastic to sturdy building blocks. And the best part? It's not just some far-fetched idea. It's a movement that's gaining traction worldwide. Communities are coming together to build schools, libraries, and community centers using eco-bricks, diverting tons of plastic waste from landfills and creating sustainable, low-cost building solutions. We'll show you how to make your own eco-bricks, step by step, and introduce you to some inspiring projects from around the world, where people are using this innovative technique to build a better future. It's a testament to the power of collective action and the incredible things that can be achieved when we work together to find creative solutions to environmental challenges. So, let's get those plastic bottles filled and start building a more sustainable future, one eco-brick at a time. Now let's talk vertical gardens. Imagine a wall bursting with lush greenery, a cascade of vibrant flowers, or a bounty of fresh herbs, all growing vertically from recycled plastic bottles. That's the magic of vertical gardens, and it's easier than you think to create your own using those empty plastic bottles. We'll show you how to transform those bottles into ingenious planters that can be stacked, hung, or connected to create stunning vertical displays. Whether you've got a small balcony, a concrete patio, or just a blank wall begging for a touch of green, vertical gardens are the perfect solution for bringing life and vibrancy to any space. We're talking about cutting bottles in half, creating hanging pockets, and even connecting them with string or wire to make cascading bottle gardens that'll turn heads and spark conversations. And the best part? Vertical gardens are incredibly space efficient, making them ideal for urban dwellers or anyone with limited gardening space. But it's not just about aesthetics. Vertical gardens also offer a host of benefits for the environment. They help to purify the air, reduce noise pollution, and even insulate buildings, creating a more sustainable and eco-friendly living environment. Plus, growing your own food in a vertical garden reduces your carbon footprint and gives you access to fresh, organic produce right at your fingertips. So let's get vertical and transform those empty bottles into thriving gardens that'll bring life, beauty, and sustainability to your surroundings. We've only just scratched the surface of what's possible when it comes to recycling plastic bottles. From simple DIY projects to innovative building solutions, the possibilities are endless. But here's the thing, it's not enough to just watch this video and be amazed. We need action. We need you to join the movement and become a recycling rock star. Every single plastic bottle we recycle is a victory for the planet. It's a step towards a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future. So, what are you waiting for? Grab those empty bottles, unleash your creativity, and let's show the world what we can achieve when we work together to turn trash into treasure. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. We've got a ton of awesome ideas and challenges coming your way, all focused on making a positive impact on the planet. Remember, every little bit counts. Every bottle recycled, every DIY project completed, every step we take towards a more sustainable lifestyle makes a difference. So let's do this together. Let's create a world where plastic waste is a thing of the past and sustainability is the norm. Yo, that was wild, right? We turned trash into treasure, gave those plastic bottles a new lease on life, and hopefully inspired you to join the recycling revolution. But the fun's not over yet. We've got a ton of epic ideas up our sleeves, so make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. And hey, while you're at it, why not drop a comment down below and let us know which recycling project blew your mind? We love hearing from you guys. Remember, even small actions can have a huge impact. So, let's keep the momentum going, spread the word, and show the world that recycling isn't just good for the planet, it's freaking awesome.